What up, and welcome. I'm Matthew Msingati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. In this video, we are going to take a look at a click event. What is a click event? A click event is when you go to the website and click on a button and something will happen. This means that the script has been listening for that click event. So as soon as you click there, then it is being triggered and it will do something. So this is what we are going to do now. Let me warn you, the first approach that we are going to use, I'm just showing you for your own knowledge. I myself, I don't really use it because it sometimes fails. If I can be honest with you, I really don't know why. Maybe it's something that I must make a research about. It works, but not always. Sometimes it fails on jQuery. So it will mean that I'm going to do another video that I'm going to show you how to do it the right way. The click event listener that will never fail. So when you click the button, it's not going to fail. It will always work. That will mean that please consider subscribing so that you can be notified when I'm uploading that video. At least the YouTube system can send you a notification that I've uploaded a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. So what we want to do, let's put a button here. Let's just delete this. Let's just delete this and just say let's open a button tag. Let's just make a normal div tag. It's fine. Let's just make a normal div tag and right here click me. Okay, we are going to give this tag an ID of click, and let me not use click because click means something to what we are doing. It's a click event. So button change color. So what we are trying to do, we are creating a div element that when we click on it, what we were doing here on the previous video, changing the background color of the body, let's say the background color of the body to red. Now that is going to happen when we have clicked the button. So let's just quickly comment this. Let's just quickly comment this and run this code. In this code, or in our HTML, there is just a div with an ID change color, and they click me as a text in it, and that's it. Let's just quickly see what happens. As you can see, this is just click me, nothing much. When you click on it, nothing happens. So now let's add an event listener on this div using this ID. So we can do that by taking this is just those IntelliSense thing. So we are selecting this ID, which is change color, and we want to say dot click function. Okay, dot click function, and then we close. Okay, I have said on the first video that we were doing on our first jQuery script, I highlighted this part and I said this function, this part, you are going to see it most oftenly when you are coding JavaScript or even jQuery, because we will be writing anonymous functions time and again. So that's the first use of that function. So let me just explain what's going on here. We have an HTML element or an HTML tag that has got an ID change color. So using jQuery, we are selecting that element. We are assigning a click event listener so that when we click on it, then this function is called, and this is an anonymous function, as you can see. So let's do something. Okay, let's take this instruction, this piece of code, and change the background color when this is clicked. Let's see. Let's click it. As you can see, the background color changes. So that is it for an event listener. As you can see, that what we have done, we have just selected this using an ID, the div or the HTML element, and then we have assigned the click event, and then from then when this element is clicked, and then this function will be called, and that what function is doing, it's changing the background color of the HTML element, the body color of the HTML element. So as I have said before, this is the first way of doing it. I don't advise you continuing with this one because it works, but sometimes it doesn't work. I have tried it and it has confused me when I was starting with jQuery because I relied on it, but in most programs that I was writing, it was not consistent. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't work. Maybe when you've got more than one button or more than one event on HTML element that you're going to click on, it misbehaves. So in the following video, I'm going to show you the proper way of doing it. So please subscribe. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msingati, thank you so much for watching.